Businesses now spend $10 billion more on digital advertising than traditional. This represents a major shift. The dollars are going where the people are. More spent means greater competition. You have to stand out to get the right ROI. Here's how it's done. Know your target. Understand your audience. What are they like? Which social media sites do they use? Place your content where your ideal customer is hanging out the most. Genius, right? The more you know about your ideal customers, the better you can target them on any social media platform. Tailor your reach to people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Think client first. Take the ad to your client's mindset first, not immediately to your product. Don't focus on the features of your product or services. Instead, highlight the benefits to the customer. Instead of a headline like cheap travel vacations, consider instead you could be on a sandy beach tomorrow. Understand buyer process. Get a handle on the buyer journey. Figure out what you need to present them with at each stage of the process to reach more users effectively. Pay attention to buyer analytics. You'll be able to see each click a visitor makes on your website. You can track how much time they spent on each page and even what pages cause them to click out of your site. Use this information to cater your digital marketing. Start targeting users who are close to making a purchase. Be high quality. No matter where you advertise, make sure it's flawless. If your ad isn't eye-catching, you won't get the results you want. Keep ad design simple, but make it catchy. Use attractive and original images. Today's online advertisements are yesteryear's billboards. They have to pack a punch with a few words. Don't forget to modify your ad for a mobile device. Today's users expect this. Avoid pop-ups. These were hugely popular several years ago, but now they're just one more X click before users can get to the content that they want, and viewers hate them. 80% of consumers exit websites because of a pop-up. The best online advertising strategies look for ways to reach and connect with customers, not annoy them. Search engine advertising. Driving search traffic is imperative. But if you're fighting for space against brand giants, it can be difficult to be heard. If free, also known as organic tactics, are not enough, look at paid search campaigns focused on keywords. One of the most frequently used advertising methods is search engine marketing, SEM. Here, Google AdWords is your best bet. You can take these tips to the bank and start seeing revenues grow, but there's much more to learn. Check out our website for more tips. If you liked our video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.